Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. To begin with, you need to open the Facebook app on your device, and after that you need to select this marketplace icon in the bottom middle. And after opening the marketplace here in the top left, there's this sell icon, select there. And this option allows you to list almost any eligible physical item. Select this create listing in the top. And here you can select any of the item. As I'm going to select this one item. And here what you need to do is you need to add photos for the listing main photo. And here you can also type down the title and select the price, how much you want to sell it for, and select this category. And here you can also select the condition and type down the description as well. And make sure you already have added your photos as well and select publish in the top right. And your item will then appear on the Facebook Marketplace where interested buyers can contact you through the Facebook Messenger. And that is it. That's how you can sell on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.